What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change fonts in Discord on laptop. So currently we're here on our Discord, but in order to change fonts, we're going to go over to a website. We have techtips.com. Now here on Techtips, at the top you can see Instagram fonts and other options. We're going to click on Discord text. And here it says create stunning Discord text with fancy fonts, etc. And we want to change the font. So we're going to scroll down, and right here is where you get to write your message. Once you write your message, you're going to see the different fonts down here. So let's go ahead and try one out. So we just have this, hey guys, this works. So we're going to scroll down, and you can see currently it's under the fancy fonts. You can see other options, but we're going to stick to fancy fonts, and here you have the different fonts. We can scroll down to see the option we like and say we want medieval, right? So we're going to click copy, go to Discord, paste the message, and there you have the exact font which we copied from Discord. If you'd like to try another text, you can simply go to the next line, go back to text trick, scroll up, and then we're going to write another message. And once you write it, you're going to scroll down once again, and you can see the different fonts where you can copy. We're going to choose a circled and then click on copy, go over to Discord, paste it right here, and there you have it. By doing this, we'll be able to communicate with different fonts in Discord.